Hey guys, Justin here with another unboxing video. This time it's from Rapid LED. Wonder what could be in the box. Oh shit, it's definitely 4 feet long. It's going from end to end on this tent. So yeah, probably something for my 4x2 kit, you think? Let's see if we can get this open. I'm gonna cut it along this seam here and see if I can get it open this way. Because it opens on the end, which isn't gonna be good for this video. So, let's see if I can just cut this bitch open. Hey, look at that. I think I did it. Open says me. That's how you do an opening. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut that side. Set the camera down for a second. Yeah, that side need to be cut. There we go. All right. Yeah, buddy. Another sticker. And some wiring. What do we got here? And this is looking like a power adapter. Rapid LED AC adapter. Sweet. So there's that. There's the plug for that. Now let's get down in here to the meat potatoes. Dude, this stuff's heavy. Real heavy. Alright. Unwrap this a little bit. We got this taped together pretty good. Bam, look at that. Big ass heat sinks. Got some 4-foot heat sinks here, or just about 4 foot. They almost go end to end, so probably what is that, like 2 inches off on each side? So pretty close. Let's get in here to the lighter part. And let me clean this up a little bit. Let me get this big box out of here, and yeah, I'll be right back. All right, there we go. So now we can actually open this up and see what's in here without all the mess. Oh, this is some seriously wrapped up stuff here. Got all kinds of tape. Let's get through all this tape. All right. Look at that. Alright, so there's that one. Rapid LED. And this one. Alright. So, what we have here, this one looks like, that's red. All red. So this is going to be the Emerson board. This is a far red add-on for my 4x2 kit. I'm gonna put this on one side to give me some deep red. That's fucking awesome. And then there's the heatsink for that one. All right, so this exotic board has UVA through here, and then also infrared. So lots of purple and red, and then lots of red here. So a lot of the people that get the white lights, I know before everybody was like, oh, I don't, no blurple lights and this and that, and everybody was on the white light train, and everybody was hating on all the multicolored lights. But now we're kind of starting to see where a lot of those people that are using just these flat white colors, they feel like they're missing some of their more exotic colors. So that's why Rapid LED has this kit here. They sell these separately. This is the Emerson kit, and then the exotic board. This is a great combo. I mean, you can add this to literally any setup. Literally any setup that you have. Whether you have an HLG, whether you have Rapid LED, Timber, any of those guys. You can add this, or even Spectrum King, God forbid. But you can add that to any of those white LEDs, and you get your reds, your UVs, and your infrareds. So this is gonna help me kick my grow up another notch, and you can definitely kick your grow up another notch if you want to pick this up. Links in the description in the bottom. If you want to buy this from Rapid LED, it's a killer combo, man. Make sure you get the 2 boards. Then you got the heat sinks there. This is the splitter, so that you can just get one power supply. You only need one power supply, and it'll power both boards if you have this splitter, and the splitter's super cheap. So yeah, pretty awesome. There's no installation hardware or anything like that. You have to kind of figure that out on your own. But you can see they're pre-drilled holes to fit right where everything goes. So I'll have to get some screws to go in there, and then we'll get this put together and see how I can mount it. It is pretty heavy. These rails are a little bit more heavy. Not too bad. A little bit more heavy than I had anticipated, but I think I'll be able to hold it on with some heavy-duty wire ties that I have that are like serious shit. Like they're almost like what cops use for handcuffs. I'm pretty sure they're the zip ties or whatever. I'm pretty sure that'll hang on to it, but I may end up having to get some sort of L bracket to mount these up. But yeah, fucking awesome. Thank you very much, Rapid LED, for sending this out for me to take a look at and to show you guys. Definitely give them the shout out in the comments, guys, for passing this down and letting everybody see how it works. That's pretty killer. I have not seen very many grows with these boards, so I'm excited to show you guys what they can do. And I'll definitely get some par readings and stuff like that when I get them hooked up. I'm not gonna get them hooked up right now because there's a lot of hardware going and stuff like that, but yeah, man, I will do another video once I get them hooked up, and I'll probably do a little bit of a video on the installation and setup and all that stuff, because you do also want to get some sort of thermal compound for the back here as well. So things to think about when you're buying this kit: you got the 2 boards, make sure you get both of those. The heat sinks are sold separately, make sure you get both of those. One power supply, that's sold separately, and the splitters are sold separately. So make sure you get all those together if you want this kit, and then you'll have to figure out how to mount it. You'll need thermal paste, and you'll need screws. So yeah, it's pretty much a DIY kit. It's not a pre-built thing. The board, of course, is pre-soldered and whatnot, but this is more on the end of the DIY sort of thing, which I know a lot of you guys are into. So pretty fucking sweet, to be quite honest. I'm super stoked. Rapid LED has been an awesome sponsor of the channel. They have amazing lights, and you guys are gonna see this last harvest here of the Married with Children that just absolutely blasted it out of the park with the Rapid LED lights, and I can't wait to get this hooked up and running. So that's pretty much it for this update, guys. Links in the bottom if you want to purchase these boards and all the stuff for it. Also, links in the bottom for my Amazon store if you want to purchase some other items or other nutrients and whatnot for your grow. But that's pretty much it for this time, guys. Until next time, happy growing.